up, Airkewld Army? It's your friend Pete, back again. Today we're showcasing the playlist for the Telez family chassis, in which we did air ride, 17-inch wheels, disc brakes, the entire chassis. You get to see all the videos that we have done on this series. So sit back, get your favorite beverage, make sure you click that like button. If you like this series, please subscribe. If you want to see more, comment down below. Tell us what you're looking for. All right, enjoy the series. Have a great day, everybody.